Hey folks, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a concept map. And a concept map, simply put, is linking two or more concepts together with some text to build a sentence. It's kind of like a mind map, but it just requires a little bit more detail. They're very easy to use once you've got the knack of it, and they're a great way to sort of enrich your sort of learning and to see if you have any gaps in your knowledge and how things sort of link up. Because we're talking about a lot of words now in physics, and if we can link them up and we sort of chunk them into some understanding, it'll be a lot easier to sort of deal with them over time. So the concepts that I'm giving you at the moment are these 7 here. So scalar and vector all the way up to acceleration. And yeah, so I'll just show you how it goes. So I'm just using a program called CMaths, but for now, I just want you to write them in your books or whatever. We might use this a bit later. But let's say we've got the concepts and we're going to say scalar. Okay. And we want to see, well, let's link it up to vector. And the way that we want this to run is we have to build it as a sentence. So in the sense that explains it. What both of them are. So scalar is a magnitude without direction. Let's just make a bit more space for that. Scalar is a magnitude without direction as opposed to a vector. See how that flows? It reads a sentence, but it's linking these two concepts. So you should be able to read it as one distinct sentence. Scalar is a magnitude without direction as opposed to a vector. It's really your choice what language you want to use, but the more information you put in these boxes, the richer that sort of explanation is. Anyway, let's try a couple more. Let's look at speed. So speed, and we can link that up to a scalar quantity. So speed is a scalar. That's it. That's a link there. You could do that, but it doesn't actually tell us what speed is. It just says it's a scalar. So speed, we could take it a bit further, is a measure of distance over time and is a scalar. So it does it like that. So you're including a definition of one of the concepts, I suppose, in that. I better make these some arrows. There we go. Whoops. There we go. So it reads like this. Yeah. Speed is a measure of distance over time and is a scalar. So they're linking these up. Now you can have maybe 4 or 5 even concepts just linking to one. It doesn't really matter. But the key is, remember, the amount of text that you sort of put in here. How specific is it? How much detail does it shed on each specific concept? And what you'll have after you've done all 7 of these, you'll have a sort of a big web of arrows and stuff like that. And it'll look very messy on your books, but that's all right. That's what they're there for, just to make mistakes and whatever. But really great learning experience there. Cool. Good luck.